Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into Microsoft and opening Bing right away. Once done, choose precise keywords and a result type news, web, or images so results stay focused. Make a quick decision on delivery. Do you want emails, an RSS feed, or a Power Automate flow? Then set a cadence. Specify frequency in hours or days. You do this now because clear inputs let automation run reliably. Finally, enable search history and sync so Bing can use your preferences and return consistent results. Next, open Power Automate or another automation tool and create a scheduled flow that runs at your chosen cadence. Add a Bing web search or news connector and paste your keywords, then refine with filters like site, date, or file type to narrow results. Set the number of results to return and map the response fields to actions. Format a short email, append to an RSS item, or save JSON to OneDrive. Make sure to test once with a 1-minute trigger to confirm the query returns usable data. Finally, run a full test of the automated search and inspect the delivered output so you see format and relevance. Once done, set the production schedule and monitor results for 24 to 48 hours to spot false positives or missing items. Make sure to adjust keywords and filters as you learn what returns the best hits. If things go wrong, check API keys, rate limits, and connector permissions first. Those are the usual culprits. If needed, reduce frequency to stay under quotas.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.